Hello there, in this video, I will show you the use of distinct keyword in MySQL. The distinct keyword is used to retrieve only unique values from a specified column in a query result set by eliminating the duplicates. Let's say, for example, you have a table that contains name, course, and marks of students. Okay, so I'll just put some random names over here like Anna, Rosie, Tia, Zahir, Mark. Okay, so let's say these are some of the students and the courses in which they are enrolled are like science. I'll put science for 3 students, and let's say it's arts and arts again. Okay, so let's say we'll put the marks like 85, 88, 90, 92 and 97. Okay, so if I want to view the courses of the students who has scored greater than 80, select course from followed by the table name, let's say that student, then we put the condition which is where marks greater than equals to 80. Then if you can check the data, so we'll get this. So basically here all the values I have given above 80. Hence all the courses are going to be printed. That is, this exact column will be printed which contains data like science, arts, science like this. So let's say you have hundreds of student data in the same table. So 100 of times let's say science and arts will be printed. So we don't actually want that. We just want that what are the courses in which students are studying who has scored greater than 80. So it's enough. We will if we just get the output like science and arts. Okay, so like, okay, fine, maybe there are other courses as well, and only these 2 courses we are getting, like where students have scored this much. Okay, so for this kind of situation, before writing the column name, we put the distinct keyword, as it will eliminate all the duplicate values. That is, science 3 times, it will not get printed. It will print science only once. It will print arts only once instead of printing it twice. So it's just like that. So that's what the syntax is. Select distinct followed by the column names. Even if you want to write multiple columns over here, you can do that. After that, put from table name, and finally put the conditions. So let's check it out in the MySQL window. As you can see, this is the student details table, and let's say I want to check that what are the course IDs in which the students are studying where the marks is greater than 80. Okay, so let's try that. So same thing I'll write. Select course ID from student details, finally put the condition where marks is greater than or equals to 80. So as you can see, the course IDs come in this order. C01, 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 C01 comes 4 times, C05 comes once, C07 comes twice, C03 comes twice. So it's like that. Now what if we just modify this keyword, and before writing course ID, I'll just use the keyword distinct, and now I'll press enter. Now you can see, instead of printing C01 for 6 times or printing C07 for twice or thrice, it's just printing all the values only once. So that is what this keyword does, and it's very useful when we have to print data in this order, or let's say we have to fetch data where duplicate rows are involved, but we just want to know like what are the courses or who are the students staying in certain place. So that's enough if we get the output only once. So this is the use of distinct keyword which I just showed. Keep watching my next videos to learn more about MySQL.